Hi guys, this is Dudek. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you some of the boxes I've just received from H&M and Pull&Bear. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button. Please don't forget to like the videos and share it, and just leave me some comment by the end of the video. Thank you. So let's start. Let's get it started. From Pull&Bear. So this jacket actually looks amazing. I love it. I just love it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to fit it in actually. You see? Amazing. I love it. Looks great, right? I mean, it's amazing. It's really nice, and the price is really affordable, like, yeah. I mean, it's not expensive. You can check in the website. This one, the original price is $59.99, but it's a very good price for this jacket. It's a winter jacket. You can even wear it until, I don't know, it depends where you live in. But like until April, more or less, it's a good jacket. It's really warm, with the hat here when it's snowing, raining, windy, whatever. So it's really nice, to be honest. I really like it. I'm happy for that. Thank you very much, Pull&Bear. So there is another jacket I have received with the, I don't know if I can see the price. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh my god. $45.99. Yeah, so you see it here. I don't know if I can show it to you. $45.99. Pull&Bear. You see even like the brand logo here. PB Pull&Bear. I just love Pull&Bear clothes, to be honest. Majority of my clothes are from there. I mean, I used to shop in other shop also, but Pull&Bear forever. Look. Like, I just feel like I have to move the camera more, because like otherwise you won't be able to see me. I'm gonna fit it, Let me move the chair. It's actually really nice, and the size is also good. Like, I was thinking maybe like, because when I move it goes up, but like it's cooler when you have like the exact size from your arm, like even if you are moving and like the jacket goes up, but like it doesn't look good when the jacket is too long, so you have to make sure like the jacket is the exact side of your arm, that cover your arms from here, and then your fingers are out. So I really love it. Actually, it looks amazing. And the color, I don't know if you can appreciate it from the light. I tried. Sorry guys for the noise. Oh god. Yeah. So yeah, so the color, I don't know if you can appreciate it, but it's like it's brown and black and brown, like, yeah, I guess like you can see it well. It's really cool. It's a really cool jacket, like, and it's I mean, unisex, I would say, like anyone can wear it, and it's very nice. It's a very nice jacket. I love it. I love it. Another one. Okay, it's still Pull&Bear. So this one is a jean, standard jean, denim makers. This one costs $29.99, which is a very good price, to be honest, because I have seen like in other brands like maybe H&M or so on, like, yeah, it depends. Like H&M used to have like the same prices more or less as Pull&Bear. Like, guess it's because of the Inditex. It's from, both are from Inditex, but very good, you know. Because like other brands, for example, for this jean you can have one for, I don't know, 45 euro, but this one for 30 euro is like great, you know. It's very nice. I think I don't have to fit it, you know. It's like just standard jean, you know, just normal. And I really like it because like I'm those kind of people who use like, I wear smart casual clothes, so yeah, so that's what I like. So yeah, I like to wear like sometime also sport and so on, but like you can go at work with those kind of clothes, you can go out with your friends with this type of like, because it's like a normal style, you know, really cool, really nice, not like a pajama or like a jogging pants or stuff like that. So that's something cool. This is my style, you know. And I think it was the last one from Pull&Bear. Yes, man. So this one, let me check the original price because I have so many stickers in here. I'm just trying to find out which one is the price. It says 45.99. Yeah, 45.99. Yeah, 45.99 was the original price, but I got it for 39.99, which is great, you know. Just look at this. Oh my god, I love it. I just love it. This one I'm gonna try it. Check. Look at that. Yeah, let me walk. I'm gonna try. I mean, this not a very big space, so that's why I'm doing my best actually. And it's really good. So as I said, this is what I like. Like maximum it has to be here. I don't want like the arm to be too long because it's cool. And what I like from here is like the normally, like before, the jeans or the jeans jacket, wherever, this type of jacket used to be like longer till here, but like nowadays it's like more fashion to have it like this long, you know, but not longer, you know. So there are some people who used to even like wear it a longer jacket, but like I like this one because it's really cool. You can wear a curtain or something like that and people can still like see it, you know. There are some jeans that are really long jeans, a little bit longer, that are like unisex or stuff like that. So it's really cool, to be honest. And like I also, as you can see, like I used to wear most of the time like stuff that you can open and close for all like this type of times we are having lately, like for example from February or March, like start to get a little bit warmer, so you are just like trying to open and close. So this type of clothes are really cool. Yes. So now we will start with H&M. And so cool. Even like because like Pull&Bear used to have the same type of bag since really long time, but it's a cool bag color because like the brand, you can recognize just the brand with the back color, you know. I even think like it's the only brand like having that back color, which is really good, you know, marketing stuff. But like this one is also very cool. I remember like H&M had before maybe a fully red bag with H&M logo in white, I think, or sometimes black. But like now it says with love. I don't know if you can appreciate it. With love, H&M. Really cool, amazing, guys. I love it. Yeah. So you see, really nice. It's like the style, the one I'm just wearing right now. The one I'm wearing is from Primark, by the way. But yeah, so what I like really, I really love like Inditex style and so, because like for first, like there is a good quality. There are a lot of uh clothes that have very good quality. You can even see like the materials, because this one says 65% Liva Eco viscose, and you can even like read the instruction and see exactly like what is this made from. And yeah, so it's really nice, really comfortable, really soft. Oh, I love it. I really like it. For how much was this? 19.99. I mean €20, which is very good price. And this one is the same actually, but in the what's called in it beige. Do you say, how do you say it? It's in beige, or yeah, beige. So actually I bought this one, this pant, for 29.99, so €30, which is really good. It's very soft. I don't know if you can appreciate it, but I love it. It's very nice. And this one you can wear it with this one, and it's more or less the same color. And me, I'm those kind of people who used to like combining the same color, you know. So yeah. So now I have this one, which cost €39.99, so €40. 20% recycled cotton. You even see it here. 20%, yes, H&M. And yeah, it's amazing. It's really cool. Unfortunately, I cannot like try because like, but it's very nice. It's really nice. This style is somehow, it's not slim. It's somehow denim, but like a modern one, like really stylish. Loosening and knee rounded leg. Loosening and knee rounded leg. Yeah. So you even see like loose. That's the style. Yeah. Just if you search it, and it's really cool. I love it. I just love it. And you can combine it with anything, with a leather jacket, with a normal jacket, with a pullover, with anything, you know. And the last but not least, I have here a black one, you know, and it will be even cool with what I'm wearing at the moment. I really like this type of color, like black, gray, white, you know, individual colors. So because you can combine this type of color with anything, you know. And this is exactly the same style I showed you before, but instead of having it loose, which is with the top a little bit closer and the bottom, I mean the legs open, this one is slim style, as you can also see here in the ticket. So, and the only difference is what the loose one is tied on the top and then open on the bottom, on the legs. And then here the difference is like this one is completely straight, you know, and then when you wear it, depends how what's your muscular mass, how your body is. So in this case, it can fit more your body or not, but like it used to take the same form as your body is, you know. And I really like it also. It is really straight, really cool. Nice. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment, click the subscribe button, share the video, and see each other in the next video.